You have to take cover from all these bees. It's impossible to to get away because everybody's buzzing. Not everybody, everything is buzzing about buzz xyz, buzz.xyz. So why everybody is buzzing about buzz? Why everybody loves suddenly bees? Okay, we're gonna talk about this in this video, but now so, buzz.xyz, it's Jack Dorsey's new project, and let's see what's going on here. Okay, we're launching Buzz, a new group chat platform for teams of people and agents of all sizes, built to reduce our dependency on Slack and GitHub, model-agnostic, decentralized, self-sovereign, and open source. What's amazing, you can choose your model for all of those agents that work inside that app. By the way, have you seen those three weird looking buzz bees inside of this app? My first impression was, whoa, they're ugly. But then it was okay, you know what, because they do such a good work. So Jack gave us Buzz. Everybody's buzzing about Buzz. Look at this. Mike, Creator Magic, Mike Russell.
Direct on X. Okay, it feels good. It feels good. We are going to do a huddle inside Buzz. What is Buzz? Buzz is kind of think of it as Slack, but half or more people can be AI agents. However, in the case of this one, most people...
Look, by the way, Mike even, look at this. Look at this. You see? Free and open source, and he dressed as a bee. But you know what? Before we go there, I want to show you something from my past. I can't let it go. This is Fable 5. This is Gemini. Again, I gave one prompt to two prominent LLMs, I would say. Now, this is what Gemini did with my one prompt, short one prompt, right? And this is, and when I asked Fable 5, can you believe this? Remember Fable 5? Okay, some of us have used it, and now you have to pay a lot of money, so I stopped using Fable 5 because I'm cheap. Now, are you ready? Fable 5, drum roll, boom. What an ugly drawing. By the way, I loved Fable 5 when I was working with it, and it was creating like websites and applications and also and all that sort of things. But when I asked him several times to draw something, draw, not create some code, but just draw. Look at this ugly thing. Fable 5. Again, Gemini, the same prompt. Beautiful, nice, amazing. Look at this Fable 5 ugly drawing. Okay, never mind. We'll get back to Jack Dorsey and buzzing and stuff. So where is this? Where is this? Okay, I want to show you this directory I found online, buzzdir.xyz. I find it amazing. Here, Creator Magic, Mike Russell is here. Buzzdir, Bitcoiners, designers, and so on. Here, list your hive, so you can add your community of Buzz to here, and look at this directory. Am I here? Because yesterday I think I added it. Yes! Whoa, look at this. Virtual oranges. I'm here. Open in Buzz. Let's see if it will let us. Oh, thank you, by the way, the owner of this directory. Yesterday I asked him, and he asked his agent inside of Buzz application to add me to this directory, my community, I mean, that I just created, okay? And this is the link to my community. Accept and join. Okay, but I'm here already, so accept and join. I'm joining my own, let's see if you can see my, oh no, just a second. You can't see it? Why you can't see it? Buzz. Oh, here. Okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. That's technical glitch. Anyway, I'm already in 4 communities. This is mine, Virtual Oranges. This is Mike Russell's. He has, by the way, 158 people and agents inside his community. Is it showing, by the way? I'm sorry, I'm new with this, and let's see. Okay, I think it's showing. And then in another Buzz directory that I was showing you, it has 30 members already, so it's growing from every. And Hermes agent also, I joined this community. So back to my community, what I did yesterday. I just want to tell you about my use case, because I thought, what is it, Buzz? Let's create something. You see, I have 4 people here. Like, it's not 4 people, it's actually me, the owner, and 3 agents, 3 ugly bee agents. I call them ugly because they're cute, but they're so ugly, but they're very cute. I love them. I love this application. So I asked my Fizz. You see, this is Fizz, okay? He's my head of relationships. I want to show you what we did yesterday. So I asked him, here, where is my prompt? I asked him to create, where is it? Yes, here. I want you to create a private channel for only you and me here in Buzz, and build an interactive, nice and fancy dashboard showing, like in Cloud Code, context window of yours, plan usage limits. I have a pro subscription, 5-hour limit, weekly, all models. So everything to show me what's going on with using my pro plan with Anthropic Cloud Pro subscription by using Cloud Code Haiku. Because I'm cheap, I gave Haiku to use my agents, and it's not so much. Okay, never mind. It's just beginning. I'm testing. Okay, so don't judge me because I'm cheap. Anyway, maybe you're cheap as well. I'm not sure. Okay, where was that? I think, no. Where was that? Okay, I think, just a second, excuse me a second. Buzz, no, Buzz small here. Okay, so I was showing you what the use case of what my Fizz agent created for me yesterday. So he did, and here he said, your Cloud Pro dashboard is ready. Dashboard, I asked him to build a dashboard so I could see all the usage metrics and so and stuff. So what he did, and now I'll show you what he created. But it was, you know what, it was not easy. Let's see, is it here? No. Is it here? Not so much. Probably here. Okay, let me show what he created. I click the button and here you go. I hope you see it. Yes, Cloud Pro dashboard. This is what he created for me yesterday. Okay, you see usage and stuff, active, blah, blah, blah. I hope I don't give out any secret information for you guys, but it's okay. Never mind. So that's the first use case of Fizz agent inside of Buzz application. So, and I want you also to put your comments and tell me what applications or what workflow do you use with inside of Buzz application, and let's do it all together. Now, if you are not familiar with me, my name is Alex, and this is my, I would say, not business, but presentation of my business, Virtual Oranges. Okay, I created about, I would say, 13 products, including AI sales agent, and you can see here. Here is my. I hope you can see it again. Yes, AI sales agent I built. Okay, and here is the website and the service I'm selling. Here, simple flat monthly pricing. I sell AI sales agent for this price. By the way, I want to complain a little bit. I have the right. Because I am in Israel, we do not have Stripe in Israel. Everybody's using Stripe. You know, if you want to sell something, you have to use Stripe. It's very nice service. I love it for everybody else, but not for me, because I cannot use it only because I'm in Israel. So I must use the only thing like reliable we have is PayPal. Look at this. All my sell buttons are PayPal. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. This is annoying, by the way, Stripe. If you're listening to this, and I'm sure you're listening because it's Israel and you're listening to it, I want you to bring Stripe, please, to Israel so we could use your marvelous, great service, so we could sell products and services like everybody else around the world. But we're in Israel, so we don't have this. By the way, if you want to know more about my business, you should know that I built 13 AI automations and products and apps and applications and websites using only my iPhone hotspot. I don't have Wi-Fi, not because I'm in Israel, but because I'm cheap. So I'm saving money, and I didn't order Wi-Fi for my home because it's 130, 150 shekel. I don't know how much is it in dollars, but anyway, I want to save money, so I use my mobile subscription, like it's about 40 shekel only instead of 150, only 40 shekel. Okay, 40 shekel, it's about $15, something like that, and 150 shekel, it's about 1 to 3, so it's about $50. Okay, anyway, I'm so cheap, I'm saving money on everything. Anyway, but I'm smart. You know that, you notice that. Okay, so what I was talking about saving money, I use hotspot from my iPhone for all internet access of my 3 computers here at home. I have MacBook Pro M1. I have 2012 Mac Mini that I made it, installed Linux, Ubuntu, OC, and another one is Mac Mini 2024, I believe. So I'm using hotspot from my iPhone, and it costs me only like $15 per month. So why I'm telling you this, because where is Buzz? Okay, because you can build AI automations, apps, and everything, not throwing away like thousands of dollars like some people do. They use only Fable 5, they pay for API, you know. I'm not doing that. I'm using $15 my iPhone hotspot to use 13 products. Again, let's go back to my, okay, where is it? Virtual Oranges. What do I have? Memoria AI. It's Go and See. Rendezvous I've built. Zap I've built. The links will be under this video so you can visit all my applications. FlowKit, I'm selling blueprints, okay? Cipherpress.pro, this is my personal website, okay? PawPad, if you like pets, go and check it out. It's amazing, okay? So I have, and it's not all the products and businesses and services that I have currently. It's a little bit old. It's like 2 months old. Okay, but I'm Virtual Oranges. Okay, I'm on YouTube and everywhere else. So visit my website and please subscribe. I have only 19 subscribers right now, and you will be number 20 or 21 or 22. Please subscribe. I will be very grateful to you. And I hope I'll see you in the next video. I'm Alex, and this is Virtual Oranges. Bye-bye.